Weather Service in Memphis has issued a tornado warning for Central DeSoto County in northwestern Mississippi, northwestern Tate County in northwestern Mississippi, until 5:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:45 a.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm producing a tornado was located near Arkabutla, or 8 miles southwest of Hernando, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include South Haven, Olive Branch, Hernando, Senatobia, Coldwater, Lewisburg, Arkabutla, Phillip, Robinson Gin, Wakefield, Lurline, Alfalfa, Cockrum, Cedarview, Bright, New Garden, and Love. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Mississippi: DeSoto and Tate.